So guys, let us start with the procedures of press on nails. First, I'm going to show you how the first press on nails that I've created look. So I've created a base color of yellow because I love that color on myself, and I've given this aurora effect on the index fingernail and this rhinestone effect, and in the pinky fingernail I've kept it half transparent and half yellow. So talking about the procedure, so we'll take anything that we can write on the measurements, and we'll start writing our left and right hand measurements. So I'm noting down that this is the left hand measurements. So I'll start putting down the names of my fingers. I'll keep the hands as shown in the video, and I'll write down the names like pinky finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and the thumb. The next step is I'll do the same for my right hand. So you don't need to make it complex. You can just write it down, seeing how will your hand be if you place it like this, like thumb, index, middle, and so on, right? So you can do it like this. The next step that we are going to do is we'll take a tape. You can take any cello tape or any other tape that makes it visible for you to see your thumb beneath it, all right? And you'll be placing the tape like this as I have shown in the video. Now, taking any marker or paint that you can use over the tape, you'll mark down the widest edges of your nail on the tape. So what you have to do is you have to mark with the marker the area where your nail is the widest. Okay, and then you will be removing the tape from your nail once that nail paint or whatever you have used to mark is dry. Okay, and now you will place it over the name of that finger that you have used for the measurement. All right, like I have done it over the thumb, so I am placing it, I am pasting the tape over the thumb area. Now you start noticing the millimeters on a scale or inchi tape, whatever you have used to measure. You'll be measuring the widest part of your nail. Do make sure that you've marked the widest parts of your nail itself, and that's what you're noticing to get the best measurement. Now we'll be writing down the size of the tips. How you'll get it is the chart that I've attached here on the side. Now you will be taking any shape of the tips that you want to make the press-ons for. I'll be taking these kind of steps, and please watch it very carefully. There are number written on the tips, so it starts from 0 and goes to 9. That's what that was the number that I wrote down when I like measured and then noted down the tips. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are some multiple 5s, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 being the widest and 9 being the smallest. So I created this pretty yellow nail press on nails using this method. So if you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, comment on my channel, and do tag me on Instagram if you want to try it or if you want to learn from me. Thank you so much, guys.